welcome again to Yardy Belly's Kitchen, and today we have a guest chef in the house. We have Chef Nisi, and she's about to do a wonderful, delicious dish for us today. So Nisi, say hi to the people then real quick.
Hello.
And what's the name of this dish that you are about to prepare?
Garlic, chicken, and shrimp turn up.
She's the name sell off already. Alright, so let's get right into it. What's the first step?
Okay, so we have diced or chopped rather shrimp and chicken breast. Was rinsed, of course, with lime juice, and I put a little bit of this while I was washing it off. Garlic salt. Alright, and now I have freshly chopped seasoning. I have onion, garlic, and scallion. I have some Old Bay seasoning, minced garlic, garlic salt. As you can see, I love garlic. And now all we're going to do is just season the shrimp and the chicken. Okay?
Alright.
Of course, my hands are washed.
That's very important. No dirty hand around here. Alright, so you're adding some
Just
of
a
the
little bit.
onion.
Yeah, because I need some to put in the pot.
Okay.
So just some of the onion, some of the garlic, and some of the scallion. Oops. And a little bit of the minced garlic. I can pull it. And the juice from this is very good. Just a little. Some Old Bay seasoning. Oh Lord.
And what is the Old Bay seasoning? Is like a seafood seasoning, right?
Yes, it can be used on meat as well.
Okay.
It says for seafood, poultry, salads, and meat. I have to be careful with this one because it has a little bit of salt in it. So you have to watch your salt intake with other seasoning. This is garlic salt, so because I have to be careful with the Old Bay because they're going to use most of this because it is garlic, shrimp, and chicken. And I'm going to use some ground black pepper. This is a stouche. I've never used this before. Please forgive me.
You got it, man. You got it going on. No, you spin the silver part at the bottom.
I knew that. Okay, so now we're going to do the sauteing. That's even a word. We have scallion. Scallion, garlic, and onions, all diced.
Wow, big word that.
And if you were over here, you'll be smelling the
Oh my
flavor. It turned up.
Trust me, to die for. And it looks so beautiful in the pot.
Yeah, colors are nice. We got Jamaica, green color.
Yeah.
Red, green, and gold.
What
One
else?
ring that one Yardy Belly Kitchen.
We have a takeover.
Yeah.
A takeover your channel.
You use not vegetable though.
They just make that saute a little bit. They want to make it burn.
You make it perfect here.
And in a few seconds I'll be adding the shrimp and the chicken. But oh my god, it actually smells so good.
So good. Like you could have just sit down and eat a plate of seasoning right now.
Right. Alright, so we just adding the chicken and the shrimp. Everything, all the leftover seasoning.
Every mix about it.
Everything are going in. John and his mother and his stepfather. Okay.
Yeah.
So just allow the chicken and the shrimp to get some color. Take the pan and actually cook.
And it's one of them easy to cook, so.
Yeah.
So how you know when shrimp cook?
Honestly, I just take it out, one of them out of the pot and taste. If it tastes too raw, go back in there. I know there's some type of secret, but I'm not no big chef, so I can't really tell you what to look for. But I taste it. I know when it tastes cooked.
Good.
We just leave it. Honestly, I want the chicken to be separated a little bit so I can actually take the cook. Can spread it out if you have space.
Yeah, because the chicken probably take a little longer than the shrimp to cook.
Yeah.
Oh, smell good.
By right though, you should usually, if you're going to just cook chicken breast for this type of purpose, you should just put garlic in the pot with the oil and the chicken cook by itself. But because of time right now, we're going to make them cook together. We're just going to watch it, right?
Yeah, that's the long way.
Okay, so right now we're doing the sauce for the garlic chicken and shrimp. Wow. What I used was a stick and a quarter of, no, not even, a stick of butter and some chopped up garlic powder, and some of the minced garlic as well. And I just put it to melt for about a minute or so. It's fairly easy to do. It does it fairly quickly. And you don't want it to be dried out. So once it starts to simmer, it's time to go. Okay, so our chicken and shrimp is ready. So now we're going to pour on the sauce, the melted butter. That's a lot of butter. And now we just mix it in. We're gonna leave it there leave it covered for about what, 2 minutes? Or just watch the pot as it simmers. Don't want it to dry out. Alright. So then, and I'm gonna cover it and leave it. And that's it. Okay. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen, the end result. Our garlic chicken and shrimp turned up, served with some white rice, avocados, sliced avocados, and we have some spinach and tomato mix up by Candy.
Balsamic spinach and grape tomato.
There we go. That's the correct. So there it is, and bon appetit.
All right. I can't wait.